Malware analysis is the process of examining malicious software to discover how it works, what it does, and how to defend against it. By dissecting malware, cybersecurity experts can develop better detection methods and build stronger defenses to protect systems and data. First up is static analysis, where analysts study malware without executing it. Key techniques include file inspection, checking basic details like file type, size, creation dates, and file hashes to spot known malware. Code analysis, using tools like IDA Pro or Ghidra to disassemble or decompile malware code, revealing its instructions and logic. String analysis, extracting readable text such as URLs or commands embedded inside the malware. Control flow analysis, mapping the malware's execution paths to understand how it processes data and makes decisions. Signature matching, comparing file hashes or byte patterns against databases of known malware to quickly identify threats. Static analysis helps reveal the malware structure and intentions, all without risking system damage. Next is dynamic analysis, which observes malware behavior in real time by running it inside a controlled environment. This lets analysts see how malware interacts with the system, networks, and files. Important techniques include sandbox analysis, running malware inside isolated virtual machines or sandboxes, like Cuckoo Sandbox, to safely monitor its activity. Behavioral monitoring, tracking system calls, file changes, and network connections the malware makes during execution process. Analysis, watching processes spawned by the malware and checking for injected code or suspicious memory usage. File system and registry analysis, detecting new or altered files and registry keys, often used by malware to persist or hide. Network traffic analysis, using tools like Wireshark to capture malware's communication with command and control servers or data exfiltration attempts. Dynamic analysis uncovers what malware does, information critical for creating effective defenses. Code review goes hand in hand with malware analysis, involving a close look at the code to spot malicious logic or vulnerabilities. Static code review helps find suspicious patterns, obfuscation, or hidden commands. Dynamic code analysis instruments the code to monitor behavior during execution. Reverse engineering breaks down compiled binaries into assembly or high-level languages using tools like IDA Pro, Ghidra, or Hexrace. This process can be painstaking but is vital too. Understanding sophisticated malware that tries to hide its true nature. Behavioral analysis focuses on how malware acts while running, setting up safe environments like virtual machines or sandboxes to observe malware safely, monitoring system calls to see what system resources malware accesses or modifies, watching file system changes, such as creating hidden files or modifying system executables, analyzing network traffic to identify connections to malicious servers, creating a behavioral profile to understand malware's life cycle, persistence methods, and effects on the system. This deep insight is key to crafting effective detection and mitigation strategies. Sandboxes are at the heart of safe malware analysis. They offer isolation, keeping malware contained so it can't harm actual systems, automation, automatically executing and monitoring malware to quickly gather intelligence. Popular tools include Cuckoo Sandbox and Any.Run. Sandboxes record detailed logs, system calls, file changes, network requests, helping analysts unravel even the most evasive malware. Malware authors often use anti-reverse engineering techniques like code obfuscation and packing to hide their code and avoid detection. Malware analysts use specialized methods to deobfuscate and carefully handle malware samples, always in controlled environments with strict safety protocols to avoid accidental infection. Practice exercise. Which of the following is an example of an automated sandbox? On-premises sandboxes are deployed in the cloud for easier scalability.